Hey, my name is Chris with Heffernan Home Services based out of Indianapolis. We're a power washing, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and Christmas light company. I had Ryan build a website for me. It was probably 4 or 5, maybe even 6 months. Time flies when you work all the time. But it was a while ago, and I've got nothing but good things to say. I love this website so much. I'll just give you a quick little show of it. I can't flip the screen around on this camera setting, but here is the home page here, services, and we'll just go to that page really fast. And community, I'm just trying to get a couple of, so this is kind of the scheme that he has made. It's a little character build with the colors. I love this design so much. I've branded my entire business around it since then. Our flyers are made with the same characters. Our shirts are the same colors. Our truck wraps are based around this design as well. So I've stemmed everything off my business marketing wise from this website. Also on top of that, he works really well with our Google Ads manager. They know each other, so they favor really well. He works well with Responsibid, which is our bidding software that we use, so that was easily plugged in. The biggest thing is anytime I need an adjustment made to anything, I've not went 24 hours without the adjustment being made. He's on it right off the bat. I email him, I'll text him, he'll respond back within a few hours at the most, and then it's handled. So if money's the big thing, I know he does monthly installments, which is what we did for the next 2 years. We've got a monthly payment. That's something that I didn't have as an option from the other quotes that I got when I actually initially went to go get a new website. So I love that part as well. 5 out of 5 stars. I love this website. I love the design. I love the way everything works on it. It's never down. He also sends the care reports for how everything's been going. It's always saying 100% up. It runs smooth. It's boosted our SEO. Everything about it, I've got nothing but great things to say. So, you can take my word. He does great work.